So that's what we're dealing with. The availability of the food here is obviously very high potassiums and phosphorus, and that is an extremely robust and healthy plant. So what we've got here, we've got most of our effluent from the system is caught back up at the works and comes into this primary pond here. So what you've got here is a natural fatty cake and anaerobic digestion galore happening in there. Got a BOD coming out of there of under 10. So it's perfect. So you've got a lot of that BOD portion of the waste is cleaned up in that reactor there. So that's just a natural fatty cake. They're pretty hard to replicate. Within that crust is full of microbes, full of bacteria, scrubbing all that odour and creating those excellent anaerobic conditions. Part of the system, some of these screenings down the bottom here, so that is still gravitating to the secondary treatment down there, which ideally I'd like that up into here, but that hasn't happened yet. Then it goes from this pond here through to pond number 2. Oh, here we go. Here you go. Have a look. So that's what we're dealing with. The system is circulating in a clockwise fashion. So you've got one aerator across there, it's coming up through the system down through here, through these dense amount of baffles hanging through the system there. We've got circulators pushing the waste stream through the system underneath as well. So you can see the waste is very high in tannins.
How much more than normal? Like that's a fairly dense setup with that.
Yeah, it's pretty dense.
Twice as many?
Yeah, about twice as many.
How deep are these ponds?
3 metres deep. You see how dark green and how deep green these plants are? The availability of the food here is obviously very high potassiums and phosphorus and the available nutrients. That is an extremely robust and healthy plant.